Hello YouTubers, Jay here. Today I'm going to show you how to change an engine air filter on a 2016 Freighliner. It's actually pretty simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. I've already got my new one sitting up there, so we're going to go ahead and climb right on up. As you can see, we got two fasteners here. Now normally I also use a gun on this. I use an impact driver. But this is for the purpose of people who don't have stuff like that. You get it loose the rest of the way with your hand. This bottom one can kind of be a pain. You gotta come in at an angle. Pulls away. It's got clips on the back. And there's handles on the air filter. One on each side. I'm pretty high up right now. You just insert the new one straight until the rubber is fully pushed in, and this, you don't want to get latched in the back. You kind of just gotta have a feel for it. Then I gotta screw that down, and that's it. And like I sign off with, play with shit. Have a good day or night, or whenever you're watching this. Please hit subscribe.